The boss Silkie Silver. She hiccuped. Hiccup again. It's happening continuously. She's hiccuping a lot. This happens sometimes.
Hic.
Are you okay? She looked this way. Hun. All four Silkies are preening. Silver's hiccups have stopped. The neck is moving vigorously. Silver is looking straight at the camera. Soft, gentle eyes. These are gold, the silky feathers. She's currently molting. Gold, you're losing a lot of feathers. A feather fell again. It's a small feather. For gold. Her feathers are replaced roughly twice a year. The feathers around her neck mostly come out, making her look spiky for a while. These spiky pin feathers loosen, and new shiny feathers grow in. Feathers naturally renew themselves, even when they get dirty. Well made, isn't it?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.